And we're here waiting at Big Thunder for row 15, son. Row 15. Row 15. We'll be next. We'll be next. For row 15. The best row on Big Thunder Mountain. Best row, D, huh? Best row! The best row. Taking a picture of the mountain?
I'm gonna get the train when it comes by.
On video?
Yeah, on Instagram.
Ooh, that looks cool. Row 15!
Row 15.
I know why it's your favorite row. Check it out. Move. Move. You know why it's your favorite row?
My favorite.
Stop it now. If you guys don't know why that's funny, just check out the video. I'm gonna put it right here, Nat. Right here. I'm gonna put a card right here so you can check it out. But she got caught up. Oh boy, we're up next. Well, let's turn the hat around then.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn the hat around and turn the camera around.
You're okay, bud.
And go for the quick reactions.
Hands in the air, everybody! Woohoo!
I like her style. Hands up, hands up! Oh, you crazy. She crazy.
No, she's
That was fun. That's it? That's it?
Everybody should yell one more time.
Like that, don't stop. Just keep it going.
That only works at closing.
It only, yeah.
That was awesome, huh, Dylan?